Hi friends, today we will be repairing Blackmagic Design Ultra Studio 4K converter. Ultra Studio 4K is the world's most advanced capture and playback solution for PCI Express and Thunderbolt computers. The unit is connected to the laptop through the Thunderbolt port. This device is in a hang state and none of its front panel switches are working. As you can see, the device is detected in the system setting. But it is not detected in its software. I assume that the firmware is corrupt. Let's see. We have replaced the firmware and now let's test it for its full functionality. As you can see, the device is detected in the system setting. Now you can see the device is detected in its software. Let's check if the front panel switches are fully functional. So this device has been fixed, the firmware was corrupt and it was replaced. Now the device is functioning properly. Thanks for watching the video.
Like,
comment.
share, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.